Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Donkam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Usambot mendirang ba kajalau bakmi ikatranat kampo ieng ba preston tensang ulang bakam daran kam Shuh bandang Pynlong Biang ika written examination nagabenda ki kam per bada Pynlong da katranat Pulit jang kajala. Kani ka jubab jong ba tensang kalong halor ka jing dawa jo noilam kaliang persya ki yeng dorbar thawan kajala u doktor mukul sangma bada Pynlong Biang ika written examination da ka bakenno bakadan ka jing duko na kaliang jong ka Central Recruitment Board ban pintikna ika jing ibet ka Eksamin.
Well, a few petitions we received through the Central Recruitment Board of the police, and then I have discussed, I've seen the petition. The problem here is like this. See, sometimes those petitioners, when they were in the examination hall, they did not say anything. They should have, responded over there in case if they see any candidate, their colleague, if they have the mobile, because all SOP has been given. And then while entering also the classroom, we have already checked. So, after maybe 2 days, 3 days only, we received the complaint, which I personally feel it is too late. It's not that we don't respond, but what I'm saying is, why those petitioners, on that moment itself, when they detected that somebody did use those illegal means for the exam, they should have immediately raised to the invigilators because they were there, or police officers were there. So therefore, after scrutinizing the petitions, we already responded. We have told them, because some of them also, they did not even give their proper address, their name, proper name, and mostly not even the candidate themselves. So therefore, to just say that we have to again go for re-examination, it is not as simple as that. If it is only 100, 200 people, yes. This is thousands of applicants were there. What's about other thousands who did not complain? What will they do? Where are we going? So these are the kind of things where we have studied everything, we have seen it properly. So therefore, re-examination is not at all possible. I'm saying that's why, because SOP was already there, and strictly we told those concerned applicants, you need to reach the examination hall 2 hours before, because see, before we start, the invigilators are already there, because they wanted to explain to each and every applicant, here is the reminder that you have to do this. But some candidates, they reach, sometimes even 5 minutes late. So it is at their own risk. But specifically, we have already issued the SOP to all of them. And we have requested, please reach the examination center on time. And that also, it should be 2 hours before the real time examination starts.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.